Communication is very important to the success of our activities at Springfield High School. Both parenting and coaching are extremely difficult at times, and by establishing an understanding of each position, we're better able to accept the actions of the other and provide greater benefit to our children, our athletes, and our fine arts participants. As parents, when your child becomes involved in our program, you have the right to understand what expectations are placed on your child. This begins with clear communication from the coach of your child's program. The order of the communication, kind of our protocol, is that the student, if there's any concerns, must first visit with the coach or the director. After that, if things are not resolved and still some concerns exist, the parent could contact the coach at the school. And then again, after that, if it's not resolved, the parent could contact the AD at the school. Parents should contact the AD immediately if you're concerned about the physical treatment of your child. On this line, the communication you should expect from your child's coach or director would be the philosophy of the coach, the expectation for your child and all players and participants, locations and practices of all events and practices, team requirements such as fees, equipment, off-season conditioning, injury procedures during participation, or maybe discipline that results in the denial of your child's participation. And then also communication that the coaches and directors should expect from you, the parents. Concerns expressed directly to the coach, notification of any schedule conflicts will in advance, and specific concerns in regards to the coach's expectations. So as your child becomes involved in the programs we offer, they'll experience some of the most rewarding moments of their lives. It's important to understand that there also may be times when things do not go the way you or your child wishes. At these times, discussion with the coach is encouraged following a specific protocol. So once again, our protocol, number one, if there's any concerns, the student must visit with the coach and director first. If a call is made, the first question will probably be, has your son or daughter visited with the coach? And if not, we will wait until that happens. And then the parent may contact the coach at the school, and then the parent may contact the AD at school. Communication is very, very important. Your role of a parent is very important to our activities, and we hope this small video and the information in it helps us have another successful 22-23 school year. Some appropriate concerns to discuss with coaches and directors would be the treatment of your child mentally and physically, ways to help your child improve, concerns about your child's behavior. It is difficult to accept that your child is not playing as much as you may hope, and coaches and directors are professionals that make decisions based on what they believe to be best for all participants involved. As you have seen from the list, about certain things can be discussed with your child's coach. Other things, such as the following, must be left to the discretion of the coach. Issues not appropriate to discuss with coaches: playing time, team strategy, play calling, and other participants. There may be situations that require a conference between the coach and the parent. These are encouraged, but it is important that both parties have a clear understanding of the other's position. When these conferences are necessary, the following procedures should be followed. Do not attempt to confront a coach before, after, or during a contest or practice. These meetings do not promote resolutions, as these can be very emotional times. And please call to set up an appointment. If the meeting doesn't resolve the conflict, you certainly can call and set up an appointment with the AD. A couple things to consider. Research indicates a student involved in extracurricular activities has a greater chance for success during adulthood. A guiding factor in extracurricular activities, as many of the character traits required to be a successful participant are the same traits that will promote a successful life after high school. We hope this information provided makes both your child and your experience with the Springfield High School Activities Program less stressful and more enjoyable.